From spoken presentations to hands-on visual displays, students showcased months of hard work across a wide range of topics at the 7th Annual Undergraduate Research Symposium.
The Undergraduate Research Symposium is an academic conference at which our students present the products of research that they've done throughout the course of an academic year.
From fine arts to healthcare to cutting-edge science, the research possibilities were endless. One duo took on big questions, diving into unsolved mysteries in modern astrophysics.
Our research is introducing a new model of dark matter with repulsive forces and rotational dynamics around the galaxy.
For the methods that we used, we were more interested in looking at a simulation model where we can actually see what's going on, and we were able to successfully simulate a toy model of the galaxy through Python coding.
Benet says undergraduate research plays a key role in both education and career readiness.
High-impact practices are teaching and learning best practices that we know have a big impact on students' progression to finishing their degree, but also getting placed in the workforce and developing workforce-ready skills.
After months of dedication, this year's symposium is being considered a success, and organizers say they're looking forward to even bigger, more advanced projects next year.
I think that's what we're looking forward to the most is just students continuing to develop projects that are increasingly complex, increasingly sophisticated, and that are going to give them the best chance of success in workforce and in life beyond their time with us at TSC.